Understanding, have a hand in, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, have a hand in. This expression is commonly used but can be a bit confusing for English learners. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it. Have a hand in is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to be involved in something, usually in making something happen or in creating something. This involvement can be big or small, and it implies contributing to the outcome. It's often used when discussing responsibilities or contributions in various situations. To better understand how have a hand in is used, let's look at some examples. 1. She had a hand in organizing the event. This means she was involved in the organization process of the event. 2. The entire team had a hand in the project's success. Here, it suggests that all team members contributed to making the project successful. One common misunderstanding is confusing have a hand in with being solely responsible for something. Remember, this phrase usually implies a part or a role in a larger task or project, not the entire thing. There are similar phrases with slightly different nuances. For example, play a part in, similar to have a hand in, but can imply a more active role. Be involved in, a more general term for participation or involvement. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, have a hand in. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to enhance your English fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use have a hand in your conversations. See you in our next video.